Moin.
Today I have traveled to the city of Bremen in the north of Germany to walk the streets together. I want to show you some of the symbols of Bremen as well as very interesting medieval area. Thank you for subscribe and your likes. This is a replica of the city of Bremen, and this is the St. Peter's Church from the 11th century, and it is in the Italian Baroque style. This is the first time I have come to Bremen. It is a lively and popular city. The city of Bremen is also remarkable in terms of architecture. Many of these buildings you see are from the Renaissance period. This is a statue of soldier called Roland with a height of 10 meters, who has been the protector of the city since the Middle Ages. Let's see what else we can find. Well, here is one of the most famous symbols of the city of Bremen. Rooster, cat, dog, donkey. It also has an interesting story. The name of this statue is the musicians of the city of Bremen. Exactly here, Michael Jackson also took a photo with this work of art. Do you know why many people take the golden legs of this donkey? The people of Bremen, especially those who are traditional, believe that anyone visiting Bremen for the first time, if they touch the feet of this donkey, their wishes will come true. They believe that this will bring them good luck. Of course, I am a lucky person, but maybe luck with a donkey's leg is another thing. The story of these statues is actually a story of the brothers Grimm. This donkey, who was working in a farm, gets tired and leaves there. On the way, he sees this dog, cat, and rooster. They decide to come to the Bremen city and become musicians. In a way, these were representative of the workers under pressure and unemployed at that time. Your wishes surely will come true. Let's go see other places. There is the city hall. I heard that the famous Jacob coffee factory is in the city of Bremen. This is one of the busiest streets in the city center. Let me show you one more thing here. Here is a herd of pigs with a shepherd, which is one of the sights of Bremen city. And there is a windmill there too. What beautiful flowers. Nice. Let's go see that windmill up close. There is a restaurant here, a good place to rest and eat. I'm looking for that medieval area called Shenour. Coffee House Classico. I came here from the city center to Shenour. They are drinking beer. Now we are walking in history in the Middle Ages. I finally found it. I was looking for this very beautiful and interesting medieval neighborhood called Shenour. Narrow and old alleys. Let's go through these passages and see what it feels like. It's very different. I like it. It feels old and at the same time new for me. The architecture of many of these houses and buildings that you see here is Gothic and left over from the Middle Ages. If you travel to Bremen, be sure to come here and see Shenour. It's less than a 10 minutes walk to the city center. See the old houses. Wow, it gives me a feeling. A painting gallery is here. I hope you like the city of Bremen and the beautiful Shenour. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. This is the flag of the football team of the city. Werder Bremen. See you later.